Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. I'm so excited for this one. I'm sure you guys are too because I had a few people request that I actually film this. This is going to be my get ready with me using all Glossier products. I actually sat down to film this video and realised I didn't know how to pronounce the brand name. I was like, is it Glossier or is it Glossier? So I've just watched a couple of videos really quickly on YouTube. They both pronounced it Glossier. I don't know, might be wrong, might be Glossier, but who knows? So Glossier is a brand that got released in the UK like last month or the month before, and there's been so much hype over it. And originally I didn't really fall into the hype because it's not my kind of makeup. I'm not much of a subtle makeup kind of person, you might have noticed. I just really love to put all the makeup on my face. But the only reason I've picked up this order is because I'm going away and I didn't want to be wearing loads of makeup on my face whilst I'm in hot weather. So I figured Glossier is a good brand to try for that. And also I got kind of jealous of everyone talking about it and I didn't have anything. So I'm a sheep. So I made this order last week. I made it on payday, so last Friday. It arrived yesterday, which is Wednesday. So it took about 5 days to arrive, which I didn't think was too bad. It actually came in 2 boxes. Something I noticed a lot with a lot of people's Glossier sort of reviews or first impressions is that they all say their order comes in like multiple packages. I'm not sure why they do that. Maybe it's just easier on their end just to send things out as they come in stock. I'm not sure. They arrived on the same day, so they didn't arrive different days. They were just 2 separate boxes, which I thought was a bit weird. So in the first box I had this, the famous Glossier pink pouch. It's like a bubble wrap style pouch and it's actually going to be really handy for travelling, I think. So I have a couple of things in here, and then the other one arrived in this beautiful, beautiful box. Can't see it's got the exposure up so high, but it's got a little pink G on it. It's a white box. And inside, it came with another of the pink pouches and some stickers. I've got Glossier stickers and I have no idea what I'm going to use these for, but I'm very excited about it. It does say on here for decorative use only. I'm not sure how else you can use stickers that's not for decorative use, but thanks for clarifying. Okay, so let's talk you through what I got. The thing I was most excited for actually was the Glossier Balm.com. This is a purchase that is totally enabled by Anna from the Anna Edit. She talks about these all the time and I was like, I need one. And I'm obsessed with coconut, so I had to get the coconut scent. Let's come out of the box. Okay, so that comes in this little tube here. Oh my god, that smells really coconutty. Oh my god, that's really coconutty. This is like, I think it's like a salve. What did I read on the front? Ultimate Skin Salve. I think a lot of people use it mostly on their lips. It says use on lips, cuticles, elbows, on your friend, anywhere that needs some love. So I'm going to start putting some of this on my lips because I always put a lip balm on before I do my makeup. My lips are so dry at the moment. I don't know why. That tastes amazing. Oh my god, that tastes amazing. I would eat that. I would actually eat that. Excuse my hair, by the way. I haven't brushed it yet. This is meant to be a get ready with me, so I was like, I don't need to brush my hair. It's fine. But looking at myself in the viewfinder, I look questionable. Also in this package here, I got one of the cloud paints. It took me so long to decide which cloud paint to get, but eventually I settled on Beam, which is sort of this orangey colour. I figured with my pale skin that will probably look the best. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be. For some reason I thought these would be like bigger tubes. Not that it matters really, but so basically this is a cloud paint. It's like a lot of people use it for blush, some people use it for their lips. It's like a liquid blush, I think, pretty much. And in this pouch, so this is the Phase 2 set. So they do basically different sets where you can get 3 items and then save some money. I think I saved like £8 on this, which I thought was really good actually because these were 3 of the items I was intending to buy anyway. So it kind of worked out quite well for me. So in here, it comes with these 3 items. So it comes with the Boy Brow, which I'm so excited for. I've got it in the shade black. I really didn't know whether to go for black or brown, but my eyebrows are nearer black than they are brown. So I've got black. It comes with the Stretch Concealer, which I'm really, really excited for as well. I love that packaging. Oh, that's so sleek and cool. And it also came with Generation G Sheer Matte Lipstick, which I'm really excited for actually because I never wear sheer lipsticks. So that's that, but I'll show you the actual shade on my lips later. Oh, and I also got the option to choose a free sample that I wanted to try, and I went for the Milky Jelly Cleanser because I hear everyone talking about this all the time. So I've just got a little sample of that here. Okay, so that's that out of the way. Let's put it on my face. I don't really know whether I should put foundation on or not. I might not do. Glossier is all about natural and natural beauty, isn't it? So I'm not going to put any foundation on, but usually I would put on some of the CC cream. I have put a moisturiser on, but my skin's actually really good apart from this one spot here, which would have gone ages ago, apart from I keep picking it. So it's not going anywhere because I can't leave it alone. Right, okay, so we're gonna start with the Stretch Concealer, which I'm going to put on with my finger. I can already tell that's a really sheer concealer. I've got this in the shade Light, by the way, because what else would I get? So I'm just gonna put that under my eyes. That is definitely a very, very sheer concealer. So how are all you guys? It's meant to be a chatty get ready with me, so I'm gonna chat about life and stuff. You been good? Let me know down below. As you're watching this, I think I've got the schedule to go up whilst I'm away, so if you want to keep up to date with me whilst I'm on holiday, which I'm very excited for, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I'm going to be Instagram storying like no tomorrow. You better believe that I will be. So follow me over there if you want to see loads and loads of obnoxious updates constantly. Also follow me on Snapchat if you want. I basically like created a line between Instagram and Snapchat. Instagram I'm a lot more like cool on, like I try and put up like fashion stuff and makeup stuff and like hauls and things like that. And then Snapchat I just do more like personal things. I always forget that I have like people who aren't my friends following me on Snapchat. So I'll always like send something out and then I'll be like, was that appropriate? Probably not. So you can go follow me over there if you want. Okay, let's try and use this concealer on this horrific spot. Okay, so it's not covering it up completely, but it's definitely like giving it a decent bit of coverage. I don't really mind. I don't mind having one spot. It's not going to kill me, is it? I also always put concealer like between my eyebrows. I don't know why. I'm in the habit of doing it now. When I was younger, I used to crack my chin open all the time. I've got like, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I've got a scar like here, where I literally like fell face first into the playground at school onto tarmac and split my chin open, and it's still got like gravel in it. Sorry, my sister's doing her washing. You can hear her like banging around. So still got gravel in my chin, but it means my chin's like really sensitive. So it's just always red, and like sometimes I wake up with like a bruise on my chin, like my chin will be purple. Or I've like hit it in the night or something. I don't know why. That's never a good look. I actually really like that base. Like I probably put on a bit more concealer than like people usually would do, but it's covered up my dark circles, it's covered up around my nose. Because in the sun I'll get so sweaty, I don't want to be wearing too much foundation so it will like melts off my face, because that's never a good look. So I feel like this could probably be the way forward. Do you see that? I just need to poke myself in the eye. Right, next up we're going to try the Glossier Cloud Paint in Beam. Now I think this was like £10 or £15. I think it was, no, 15. I think this was £15. And it's tiny, so I really hope it's good. A lot of people say that they like to mix 2 shades of these together to create like the perfect blush shade, but I can only afford one of them, so we'll see. Oh, hello. Okay, that's quite orangey. Oh, okay. Help me. Okay, I think I went in a little bit strong. Oh no. Okay. We can fix this. We're good. We can fix it. Oh my god. I look like. Okay. I think this side might be better. I've gone in a bit lighter on this side. There you go. So that side just got a nice little flush. That side I look like I've been slapped. Let's try and like come off my face. Okay, so the trick with the cloud paint is to go in very light. Very, very light. Okay, next let's go in with the boy brow. I really hope this shade is alright on me. I took an educated guess. I hear people talking about this all the time. I used to love the Benefit GimMe Brow, which is still one of my favourite products ever. I just like haven't bought a new one in ages. So I'm kind of hoping this is the same, because this is actually cheaper than the GimMe Brow, I think. Might not, actually might not be. I don't know. So this is meant to give you like loads of brow without really trying. It's not doing as much as the GimMe Brow usually would, I'll tell you that. Honestly, it's not doing as much as I had hoped it would do, but I don't know, was I just being silly hoping it would give me like really full brows? Probably would fill them in just a tiny bit, but that's all good, that's fine, that's fine. It feels so wrong not putting any eyeshadow on, but it's alright. I'm just going to go in with my telescopic mascara. I feel like I don't really have much to talk to you guys about. This is meant to be a chatty get ready with me, but I'm just so focused on the makeup. Let me know what you guys are watching on Netflix at the moment. Let me know. I've nearly finished Brooklyn Nine-Nine, which I am now obsessed with, by the way. So I really need some new things to watch. I'm also like halfway through Peaky Blinders, rewatching Gossip Girl as always. What else? I feel like, oh, I finished watching Atypical, which was very good. I really enjoyed that. So I would definitely recommend Atypical if you want to watch that. I'm currently pre-filming all these videos, so I go away on the 11th. And I originally planned to spend the 2 weeks before that pre-filming all the videos for when I'm away and for the week when I get back, so I don't have to worry about it when I get back from holiday. And then I agreed to work. So I'm now, usually I only work Saturdays and Sundays, but I've agreed to work today, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Got Sunday, Monday off, which would be nice. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then luckily I've got that Saturday off, because I was originally meant to be going away on the Saturday, but we changed it to the Sunday. So I've just got a lot of videos to film and not very much time to film the videos in. So like all of these videos are fine, like my chatty, fashiony, makeup-y videos, they're fine because I can just sit down and just film them, just talk and things come out of my mouth. But my midweek mysteries, which I currently need to film 3 of, they take so much effort and I've got no time at all to film them. So I'm freaking out. Just a little bit. I'm really hoping I can get them all filmed and scheduled in time, but I don't know. I really hope I can do it because I'm like, set myself a goal, so I feel like I need to like reach that goal. Otherwise I'm gonna be really disappointed in myself. Okay, so I think I've used everything apart from this. This is the Generation G lipstick thing in the shade Crush. I haven't heard great things about these, but we'll give it a go and we'll see. I'm never a fan of these really flat applicators. They just don't feel right on my lips. I've currently got loads of the Balm.com ones, so I'm just gonna like get a bit of that off. Oh, that's a really pretty shade. I like that. That's really natural though. Oh, it's actually quite bold. Look at that. I wasn't expecting it to look like that. I feel like with the rest of this look, which is so like subtle, the lips are a bit like much. Don't know, does it look bad? Let me know. I don't know. I think that's it. That's everything I've tried out. I'm just gonna give myself a spritz of my setting spray. Okay, which has apparently run out. That's great. Shocking when the bottle was this small. I need to pick myself another one up at duty free, so I've just been like holding on. Also, another thing that I'm going to pick up at duty free, Flowerbomb have just released a new fragrance and I am obsessed with it. I smelled it yesterday. I went into town and I saw it in Debenhams. I didn't even realise they were releasing a new one. It's called Flowerbomb Nectar and it is like the perfect child between Flowerbomb, like the regular one, and Fiction Ralph Bonbon, and it's like Flowerbomb but sweeter and it's so light and fresh and I need it, so I'm going to pick that up at duty free and I'm so excited. Though I was looking on the duty free website this morning and they didn't have it on the website, so I'm really hoping they do have it. It's just not on the website yet. But anyway, by the time you see this, I'll know whether I have it or not, so make sure you are following me on all social media and I'll keep you updated on that. I'm going to brush my hair now and then I'm going to film a Primark haul for you all, which you would have already seen by the time this video goes up, I'm sure. Thank you so much for watching. Overall, I really am quite happy with these products. They're like just what I was looking for. Really light, really natural, easy to use. Apart from you are not easy to use. That's that. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.